Hello, welcome to Top 37. So last week was absolutely great. We were all on break. It was kind of a vacation at our organization, like me, team, and everyone out there. So we were kind of just chilling it out there. So yeah, it was great after a long time, and the team and we all deserved it. Like it was a much needed break. So last week the grading would be, I think it would be below 3 as well for me. So not sure of anything. Let's give it 3 only. So that's my last week grading. But overall, yes, we totally enjoyed it, and I hope everyone out in our team as well enjoyed it, and I particularly also enjoyed it. So now moving forward to the startup side update. So as like it was all on holiday and break, so there was not much, you know what you can say, there was not much impactful that we are working on, or इतना ज़्यादा कुछ काम हुआ नहीं. But yeah, on an individual level, yes, there were individual level पे जिसको जितना time मिला था वो उतना कर रहा था, but there were no specific you know assigned task, if you want to say. But overall, yeah, it was kind of great. The client side is going great. वहाँ पे भी अच्छी खासी एक there was a holiday type of thing. On the product side also, overall it was a holiday. So like not much like on the work side we haven't done that, but yeah, on an individual level we have all done our part of the work. I was particularly much more involved on the content creation part of it, on the music and designs of it, and everyone out there had their own responsibilities. So जिसको जितना time मिला उन्होंने उतना किया है. So overall quite a great week on that startup side as well. And moving forward to the challenge, so challenge भी इस time पे they were all on hold because I was not able to do any of this. It was completely chill out week for me as well. So challenges are all on hold, but I'm really excited for what's coming next, because next week say like before a big day or a big game or a tournament or any of the big things, there's a much needed break required for the body or the mental, like the mindset of it. So this was a much needed break that the team and we and everyone needed, so that you can, if you have been following us, then last two videos have been very kind of serious videos, like we want to do a lot of stuff. So वो करने से पहले we wanted a break, so somehow this aligned in the timeline, and Diwali came to be at the perfect time for us, and it became a great vacation for us as well. So like we are kind of, I'm really recording this on Sunday. Tomorrow is like Monday, so really excited, and trying to do for that pushing my boundaries from the Monday onwards and really hitting it and pushing it in like full throttle out there. So a much needed break. So this week's challenge about like sometimes you also deserve some break as well. We have been working a lot, so but yeah, this was really great week and enjoyed a lot. But अगले हफ्ते से I would really like to focus and get back to my routine, and I think next week would be really, I would like to surely hit 4. So देखते हैं वो कैसे जाता है, and all my targets and challenges, and also team would be getting on back track as well from Monday. So really excited for that. Let's keep this drop really short. It's about break, so not elongate this drop overall. So hope you guys are taking care of yourself and your loved ones, and you had a very wonderful week and a vacation and a Diwali all together. And yeah, still then stay safe, keep hustling. Bye, take care, YOLO.